I wish we started recording earlier. Okay, wait, are you recording? Okay. But what do we do now? Wait, which one do we do? I should just go for the left one. Yeah. Took you long enough. Took you long enough, Michael. He's probably so confused. I actually don't even see a difference on this one. Wait, what the fuck is the difference? What? Oh yeah. Oh, oh. Oh, it must be the right one. How the fuck did we make it through? Yes, you were right. Oh, I wonder which one this one is. Yeah, what the fuck? I mean, it makes you make. What the fuck is that spelling? I think it's green, Michael. Michael, I think it's green. I'm a FNAF fan. Like, her name's not Puppet Master 333. FNAF. I think it's green. He's still trying. I think it's green. Oh shit. Oh wait, I spawned in the other one. Yeah, it was. It's so fucking stupid. We came across Michael. Oh, what the fuck? I think Michael's got the wrong one. Yeah, it was so funny. Wait. Wait. I'm sorry. Sorry. he went through it. Sorry, I mixed up my lefts and rights. Miocheal. 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 He said your name, puppet. Oh. Oh. He just died as well. I think he got it wrong. Let's just keep messaging like we don't have Miocheal. Let's just pretend we have no idea what's going on. Yeah, okay. Oh, I made it! I made it! I made it! Oh, we both had the same idea. I wonder if he knows who it is. Guys, please, he's had enough of us. Oh, there's literally a sign. There's literally a sign. I didn't even realize there was a sign. Fontaine Freddy.
I forgot that my
Oh,
mic was
joking.
off. My mic was turned off this entire time. I've been talking and laughing. Fuck.
It's just been you've just been hearing me.
Yeah, and the game audio. 10 minutes into the recording.
Oh, that's so annoying.
That is embarrassing.
Oh, that's fine.
I don't see you.
I'm blind. He's probably so confused. Like, what the fuck? One time took What? What the fuck?
It takes hand.
My Miocheal takes their hand.
Oh my god, let's let him guide us.
I'm gonna get really close and move to the right one, to the left one.
No, I Bruh.
He's impatient. So we're not very good at this, Michael. You have to understand. Take my hand. We give.
What is up? Who is this? Never seen before. I keep fucking up his name. Don't want help.
Okay, maybe that might be a bit too mean.
Yeah.
Might be a bit too mean.
Stop
What
following
my voice? What voice? I don't have voice chat on.
I'm deaf.
I'm deaf. I'm deaf, but that works too. It's to say deaf. I think dead is funnier. I like it dead.
You like... Oh god, this is so fucking... Oh, this is... Oh my god. Oh. I really hope Michael finds this video when I upload it.
Takes the... Wait, what? Wait, what? Takes the Bible like he's actually doing anything. Had enough of us. He's enough.
He could just leave. He could just go ahead. He could just go ahead and leave.
He don't need to help us.
No, I really hope he realized that we're trolling, but I don't think he does.
I really...
Because he's
no,
like...
Michael.
He's like 6, maybe 7.
At the most 7.
Yeah. He can't be any older than like 7. Go right, let's go left.
Yeah, okay, let's go left. Go. Oh, hang on, go right, that is right! He tricked us! Michael doesn't even know!
We got through. We got through. Oh, this one's impossible.
He got it wrong!
Almost.
He actually got it wrong!
I can't believe you.
Oh, okay, someone else is here. So we got,
two other
people are here.
Holy shit.
Michael, he didn't even know. Oh no, Michael. You're not a true FNAF fan, you lied. Oh no, I'm sorry. It's okay, Miocheal.
I forgive you.
Miocheal.
Jesus,
I wash my hands.
what matters to see grow from them?
So yeah, it's okay.
Mike
Take
Leo.
my hand, Mike Leo. Well, what if I walk backwards?
Let's take his hand, and let's walk into the wrong one.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's go.
Where'd you go?
I went into the fucking wrong one. Like I went into the Funtime. There's the Lolbit one. Like,
Oh,
the
I just went. I just went into the. I just went into the right nightmare one.
You said, bro.
Like I just gave up trying to type there. I'm brain dead. That's my fault. Lips.
I don't think I've spelt his name right a single time through this entire game.
Yeah, I don't think you have.
And if I have, it's been completely on accident. Okay, let's actually like listen to him for this one, just for the next couple. Okay, until 50. Let's listen to him till 51, so that he thinks that we're actually gonna start listening to him. Then let's fuck him, like fuck with him after that.
Yeah. Okay.
Dude, I'm allergic to nuts, so I struggle.
I want to see what he says. Take my hand, yeah, okay.
I'm deaf, blind, and brain dead.
Damn. Yeah, okay, yeah. Let's just follow him for the next.
Yeah.
Or should we just start like doing really well on these ones?
Yeah,
like,
let's just lock in.
Let's just keep going. He's be so confused. Wait, shit.
I don't even know.
I think it's this one.
Nope.
Fuck. Left one, left one.
Through.
Let's just keep going. He's probably so confused. We just did it without his help.
Oh.
I've got the red path.
Oh, I have the black and green and yellow path. Oh, I spawned. My head's in the ground.
What? Oh my god!
I went through the portal and I got sent back to the like main area thing.
Where's the portal?
It says that it's the rebirth portal.
Oh right.
Do you want to try to speedrun it to see how fast we can get through it?
Sure.
Okay.
Is Michael? Where's Michael?
Oh, there's Michael. There he is. Yeah, let's just.
Oh shit!
You're
Stop.
flying. With that crow's paw.
Crow's paw.
Welcome. The time is not right. The crows have yet to call, Michael. The time is not right. Email me for any inquiries. Okay, let's just speed run through it and leave him behind.
Right, let's go. Feddy, wait, he says fucking Feddy. Right, go, go, go. Leave Michael behind.
This is so funny to me.
Sorry, Freddy, this looks so funny.
It does. I'm mostly doing this so I can show, like, the people watching the video what all of them look like.
Yeah, oh my god, Michael's following us. We need to go quicker.
I wish we could run.
So do I. We need to go quicker because Michael's following us. We need to make sure not to mess any up. It's where Freddy window is.
I can't wait to get back to the plush strap.
That was so funny. Is he still following us?
He is ahead of us, kind of. Well, he's now behind
Michael,
me.
no.
But he was ahead of me for a bit. Phantom Chica. Helpy.
No, where's the plush strap one?
Freddy.
That's the best one. Here he is.
No,
Just flush up a chair.
We can't overstate how much that was how like funny that was to us when we first saw it.
This was before we found Michael.
Yeah, before
we were just
encountered him. It was so fucking funny.
And we were just like pretending like, oh, these are so hard, these are so hard. And then we saw the fucking plush strap on chair.
Oh, it was so fucking. It caught me off guard.
So
it was so funny.
I wish we were recording it.
I wish I was too.
Michael's ahead of you.
He is. Well, I'm lagging kind of because sometimes when I hit the wall, I get like stopped for a second.
Oh, okay. That's annoying.
It is.
Yeah, these were the ones he was helping us with. Like we actually needed his help.
Like I think the one after I think it was either the one after plush trap, or the like the cleanup bot, like the sign bot thing. I don't know what it's called.
Wet floor sign.
Yeah, the wet floor sign bot guy.
Yeah. That was on the left. Oh. Wow, so hard.
Yeah.
I was really struggling there.
Michael helped us so much.
He really did. If it wasn't for Michael, we wouldn't be able to do it. These red paths are quite cool. These paths are quite cool, to be fair.
There we go. But what's he gonna say? He's gonna say add me, isn't he?
Oh god, he is, isn't he? For fuck's sake. He has no idea what a secretary even is. Because he's 6.
You must wait till the crows caw 7 times in a row, Michael.
That's my riddles 3. I haven't prepared any riddles. So I'm just gonna make shit up.
What do you mean? The crows must caw. Okay. What? So riddles 3. By 3 riddles.
I don't have any riddles. I'm just gonna make something up off the top of my head.
Ask him what like 7 divided by 3 times 17 is. I just realized I don't know if that's like an actual like Darmus or whatever the fuck it's called, like the thing that he's wearing on his head, or if it's like a fake one.
You mean?
Like the hood thing, because I don't remember what they're called, but they go for thousands of real life dollars. So
No, I think it's one of the things he got. No, it's one of the things he got from the map. On the map, he could put cosmetics on.
Ignore that, because I'm stupid. Because I didn't even notice this.
Hang on, he said, "Well, he's round and small, sounds like a monkey and has pie elbows." A monkey. Should I say he got it right, or should I say he got it wrong?
Say that he got it right.
No, I'm gonna say he got the first 2 right, but the last one wrong. What should I put for this one?
I am not.
This would be even more ridiculous.
Yeah, make it just so random, and whatever he answers, say that it's correct, and the last one, make it like, I don't know, some kind of like really difficult math question, and whether he gets it right or wrong, say that he got it wrong, and then we leave the game.
I was thinking of doing 1 + 1. Then he's like, insane. 2. I'm like, wrong.
I don't even know what I'm gonna title this video. Like, I have no idea.
I don't know either.
Something to do with Michael.
Michael.
Maybe Michael help us or something like that. Or help us, Michael.
Hang on, Michael, I'm writing it.
What is the diameter of the sun if every chocolate bar on Earth was eaten by the magic hippo that lives in the castle under your house?
It makes no sense.
I'm gonna answer. I'm gonna answer something like 10 person.
Holy shit.
I don't even know it. I don't even know what to give the answer, because I was gonna answer before him, but you say final answer. What's he gonna say?
10. Yes. Okay, here's what I'm just gonna write. What is 1 + 1?
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna answer too. So let's do this. He's gonna answer. You're gonna say wrong. I'm gonna answer, and no matter what I answer, you're gonna say it's correct. Okay?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Here we go. So what is 1 + 1?
Yeah. I'm gonna
2. Now what do I do? Incorrect.
Yeah, say incorrect, and then ask me, like, Puppet, what do you think, or something like that, and I'm gonna say, I guess, send mine, and then you're gonna say correct, and...
3!
Oh
my god, what is 1 plus 1? 2. Incorrect. 3.
Pancake.
Pancake.
Yay!
Yay! What the fuck are you doing?
I didn't emote.
Oh
what
my
the
God.
fuck did he say? Oh god. I'm telling your mom.
No, wait, what the fuck?
Why
no,
did you jump off?
I didn't mean to, that was an accident.
Oh, he jumped off
It's
after
fine.
you.
It's fine, it's just here. My controls are being weird.
Is he gonna say anything else, or is he just gonna leave it at that?
I'm telling your mum that Roblox admins will hear about this.
I
Whoa. He said I'm sorry.
I said that my dad is works at Roblox, and it censored it.
Oh, okay.
So I guess you can't say that.
Bugs of Roblox.
Michael, my uncle's brother's wife's dog's cat works at Roblox. What's he gonna say to that? You're done.
You're done. What?
You're finished, Miocheal.
Oh my god. Michelangelo, I'm gonna play this game again. Michelangelo. The full name.
You're done for, buddy.
You're done for, buddy.
Buster.
Buster. What, everything I did to you guys, oh my god.
Everything.
I feel kind of bad.
Everything.
I feel kind of bad.
I don't.
Where's he
This
going?
Is funny.
Wait, where's he going? Don't leave, Michael. What do you say now?
Oh.
Where's he going?
I don't know. He's going up.
No, he's coming. Wait, no. Yeah, he's up. He's up.
Okay. We're not done with you yet.
I'm not done with you. Oh my god, so many crying emojis.
Did he leave? No, he didn't. I saw him disappear. What's he gonna say?
Yeah, what's he gonna say?
We've been recording for 35 minutes, by the way.
What the fuck?
The first 9 minutes was me not being able to talk.
Oh, great.
So the first 9 minutes are probably not going to be the best, but, you know,
We also...
it is what it is.
Also, that's not even including the shit before we start recording.
Yeah. I mean, I can check Discord and see how long we've been playing on Discord. We've been playing for 54 minutes.
Almost an hour. Somehow.
You just said, I just want friends that respect, and I respect you. You know, I'm kind of feeling bad after that.
Yeah, so am I. I feel like we maybe went a bit far.
It was funny though, so.
Although I don't really want to make friends with a 6-year-old.
Yeah, neither do I.
So wait, where the hell's he gone?
I don't know. He's still in the game.
Michael? Michael! Oh, there he is. What do we say? No.
I think
Michael?
we should find something to say, and then we should just leave after we say it.
Yeah, and never speak to Michael again.
Yeah.
What should we say?
I don't know. I'm trying to think. I kind of want to say something related to the crows will caw eventually or whatever. And like
The crows will caw.
The crows will caw when the time is right, and then we both leave. We both send at the same time, and we both leave at the same time.
Okay, wait, what do we write? Sorry, the crows
will
caw one day.
Will caw one day, and you'll see us then, or whatever. And you'll
and then at the end, we both really misspell Michael.
Yeah, let's misspell them in different ways.
Yeah. So wait, the crows will caw one day and you'll see us then.
Yeah, the crows will caw one day and you'll see us then. And then, however your misspelling of Michael is gonna be like.
Done it.
Okay, I'm also done. Let's count down from 5 and then send it at the same time. Okay? 5.
Okay.
4. 3. 2. 1. Send. I left.
Yeah, I'm gone as well. That was amazing.
that was fucking. That was such a fucking. That was a video. That's gonna become.
That was a video.
Honestly, after that, I have to put Guess the FNAF in a favorite it. After that.
Yeah.
That was such an experience.
I mean, it was funny just guessing the FNAFs before you even found him.
Yeah, but then he just made it so much
fucking
better.
easy.
Yeah. And then he just made it so much fucking better.
Yeah, we started fucking around with him.
I think that was my favorite part. And also Plush Trap. That was also like...
Oh, Plush Trap. That was so funny.
That was
like the Plush Trap or chair.
Oh.
Like it's obviously not the fucking chair.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop recording now as well.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.
Bye.